Just the latest frontline sector to be faced with staff shortages amid a growing number of COVID cases, the Canada Border Service Agency has closed 2 ports of entry in Atlantic Canada after multiple staff test positive for COVID. For nearly 2 years, government restrictions cut off non-essential land travel to the U.S. But just as things began to reopen, another wave of COVID is infecting the very people responsible for controlling those borders. So far, the CBSA say only staffing in Moncton, New Brunswick and Charlottetown, PEI are affected, but are conscious other ports of entry could be impacted and plans are in place. The CBSA continually assesses the availability of its workforce as health conditions evolve. When required, the CBSA may supplement resources from nearby CBSA offices while ensuring that the CBSA's ability to safely maintain the flow of essential goods, services, and travelers will be taken into consideration when determining whether or not a closure is warranted. Travelers have been told to use other ports of entry until the offices can reopen. The tourism industry keeping a close eye on the situation after nearly 2 years of shutdowns and restrictions.
The U.S. visitor is our #1 international visitor, and without them coming across the border, we're going to see a massive shortfall.
According to Potter, before the pandemic, the Canadian tourism industry brought in $105 billion a year and employed 2 million Canadians. Now the industry has shrunk to $53 billion a year and only 1.6 million Canadians are employed. Potter says any more border closures will be devastating for the industry.
And it is a huge impact on our industry. It will mean that we will not rebound anywhere near as quickly as we had hoped.
In Ottawa, Nigel Newlove, City News.